Hey friends, this is Lee here with Cooperation Tulsa. Just checking in with the Flat Rock project. We've got our pole beans climbing our corn. Very cool. We're installing some irrigation supplies today, and we're stretching those lines out down the lanes that we tilled. And there's Daniel connecting some lines, showing Kat how to install those. And there we are, stretching them down those lanes. They're about 100 feet long. The sink has been a huge help and a good opportunity to cool off. And these are the lanes where we planted the mustard greens. You can see they're growing quite nicely. The sprinkler heads we pre-assembled. And there we are mounting those sprinkler heads. Look at them sprinklers go. That spiral pattern is like enchanting. Like, ugh. Doing a little dance for you. Yeah, it's hard not to just call them wet boys. Wet boys.
Wet boys, and there's those wet boys getting things wet.
Spreading some mulch, trying to expand the lanes and make a more defined perimeter around our raised planters. Corn silk. Just very enchanted by corn silk. It's the first corn I've ever grown. And there's a fire wheel for you.